New and upcoming Blue Lock arrivals. Codigos. Is there the new... Wait, where's the new king? Where is the new king? The king is out. King rework. Quality of life. Shouting man. Fire emoji. Can I put a shouting man fire emoji in the chat? No. Can I do a fire emoji at least? Fire? Okay. Fire emoji. Ronaldo. I'll be showing you every single new working code inside of the upcoming update, as well as the current codes that are working. Master of all trades. Who is the master of all trades? REO. Wait, REO rework. REO rework. This will probably be the next code. I'm not sure. Maybe it's gonna be REO overhaul. It could be REO overhaul, okay? REO overhaul, REO rework, one of those two. Master of all trades. But for the first code that you actually want to redeem, I am number 7. I am number 7. Exclamation point. King overhaul. King overhaul. This is the first code that you actually want to redeem. Don't forget to sub up, and only future billionaires can like this video. If you're not a future billionaire, do not like this video, okay? Only future billionaires can like this video. Other than that, do not like it. Because if this video gets 100 likes, I'll be deleting my account. Ronaldo. This is the next code. Wait, first code, okay. First code is done. Why is this guy a actual lizard? This guy is an actual lizard. REO the lizard. Chameleon. Oh, he's a chameleon. Chameleon. Maybe there's going to be a chameleon code as well. If you're watching in 2026, comment down below 2026. 2026. Maybe you're watching in the future. Who knows? Who actually knows? But I know for sure that we got some free lucky spins to redeem. Some free lucky spins. The next code is going to be King. King Auto. King Auto. King Authority. King Authority. This is the next code. King Authority. 99% accuracy. Sigma, 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 Sigma. Ronaldo. Authority. Is that the... I hope this is 99% accurate, okay? I hope 99% accuracy on this one. Don't forget to smile. Okay. And the next code is going to be massive. Massive fixes. Massive codes. Massive bug fixes. Massive bug fixes. Which number are you? Because I'm number 7. I am number 7. You cannot claim number 7. Do not comment first. This is not AI generated. If you have 0 Robux, just comment heart emoji. If you have 0 Robux, just comment a heart emoji. You can always comment a heart emoji if you have 0 Robux. Ronaldo. So cold. It's so cold here. Sigma, Sigma, Sigma.